Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Now I will bring a tutorial on how to change Instagram chat font style. Before that, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, click the Instagram application as usual, and then you can click the symbol of home. It's home. After that, you click symbol of chat here and click someone who you can and you want to chat. I chat myself. After that, you can to type here is the usual font here. If you want to change the font, you can click the 4 square here and click font. After that, you choose one of the font here. I choose the typewriter. To change, you can setting for the default again, or you choose the symbol premium or the font premium. Yeah, it's work. This is a tutorial how to change Instagram chat font style, and I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.